So today we are going to see the topic recommendations, which is in Unit 2, another important topic, as well as you can expect this topic in 14 or 7 marks as like a instruction. Okay. So when you look at the format, you might feel the topic will be a bit related to instruction. So instruction and similarity. Okay. First of all, what does the term recommendation means to you? Recommendation means, have you ever given the recommendation to anybody else? Or else have you written any review? Product review. If you want to buy something else in the sense, straight away go to the shop, or else have you referred some review of the content about the product something like it's not a money people. How many of you look at the feedback of the product while buying online? So those are using, they are sitting at the end, others are sitting there. Okay. So what kind of the content you came across? Good content. Was it useful? Okay. In what way it is useful? Will it be a lengthy one, or else to the core? What kind of information they use you to tell? Can connect with any mobile phone, dresses, anything else. Before buying things, you are referring some review, which is given by the authorized users. Even nowadays, so many platforms are acknowledging the users. They got this particular product, authorized user and so these are the things help us to go with the same. So the term recommendation in this thing, you are helping or suggesting someone else to carry out the task in an effective way. It might be anything else. So you can give a recommendation to reach the destination, or else to improve your communication, or else you can keep your surrounding clean. Especially being a technocrat in engineering, you must know how to draft a recommendation. Okay. So while working for a project, you have to write a recommendation along with the report. If you are preparing some report in this sense, always the report end up with the follow up of the recommendation. Suppose you are facing some issues or problems in this thing, you must address the problem. At the end, you have to give a solution to overcome the earlier addressed issues and also in such case, in a technical writing, recommendation is one of the important topic. Okay. So here, first thing is that in empathy part, we are addressing the user's needs. So in what context you are going to give a solution to them. And the define part, we have framed the problem clearly. So in what aspect you are going to give them the best solution to overcome it. Whereas in a part of idea, you are generating multiple solutions. So from here, you are narrowing the exact answer to the specified question. And the last two, we are making it as a text form and collecting feedback from our users, whether the suggested way is okay to them, or else are they find any kind of issues with that. Okay. So this will be the basic thing to know about this topic. And the real-time application in the sense, while making a report, especially in a kind of, if you are planning to develop your business, or else you are opening another sector, expanding something else in the sense, there you need a complete recommendation. This recommendation help you to identify the areas to be improved. To improve your quality also, you can prepare a recommendation. You can do it as a collective work. So while you are collecting a content from your colleagues or students, stakeholders and all, so which will help you to make your process in a better way. Okay. So the following 6 phrases can be used to make a sentence. So how to start a sentence? You can go with it is recommended to, it is suggested to, it is advised to, it is important to, it is mandatory to. So if you want to write answer for any of these specified question recommendation title in this sense, you must use any of the following 6 categories, or else you can use all the 6 attested. Okay. Whereas once you are using it is suggested to in a sentence in the sense, the follow-up verb must come in a structure of D1 category. So it is recommended to read newspaper daily. So like that you can construct a sentence. Okay. So at any cost, don't use some some other verb form over there. So apart from these 6 phrases, there you can use few modal auxiliaries also. So what is known as modal auxiliary? Modals. Already studied about be form of verb, have form of verb, do form of verb. So modal auxiliaries in the same can, could, may, might, should and shall, will. These are all the things called as the modal auxiliaries. So you can use the modal auxiliaries also to begin a sentence, whereas you can use it in a structure of should be, must be, would be, like that kind of a structure to be followed. Okay. So another important thing, you have to give a suitable title for writing a recommendation and use either a phrase or a go with the model structure of verb and give numbers. Instead of writing a chart and bulletin, better go with number. Okay, can anyone tell me what's the difference between instruction and recommendation? Already you have studied instruction, no? What's the difference between instruction and recommendation? So what you have done in instruction? It is imperative instruction. So in instruction, what you have done? So instruction in the form of requesting, ordering, commanding and all. Whereas recommending, there we have only the polite tone of making a sentence. Okay. So here I have written, write a set of 8 recommendations to improve your communication skills. So one by one we will come and write the point. Either you can use the below phrases or else you can make it as a modal auxiliary verb in that. Okay. You will follow that. Okay. Was the one there, like already it was written newspaper, then this book, and now it is novel. So another one is going to write about. So now we give chance to girls. Okay, Anna, anyone can come and end up that answer, right? Yes, we don't have enough space to complete this. Listen. So almost here we have a 5 points. Okay. So all the 5 points are related to the concept or else the address is the same. We have written 5 points, right? So one is read newspaper, another one is read book, then next thing he has written read novel, read Bible. So by using Bible you can learn lot of English words actually. We have lot of questions there, but when you are writing answers, all the points are very close to each other in the sense we will reduce the mark. So you should add more different points related to the content. As we mentioned, you can make a conversation with people in English, as well as you can add points such as listen to, it is recommended to listen to some podcast. Okay, listen to some TED talk. It is recommended to have a practice in front of the mirror. So like that you can write more points which is related to that. So among the 5, only 2 points can be taken for evaluated. Other 3 points are under repetition of things. So this thing must be avoided when you are writing answer for the recommendation. Okay. So can anyone in short just tell what is recommendation and what are the steps to be followed in it? Sure, சொல்லுங்க. Sure, சொல்லுங்க. Yes, Sivkumar. Just sum up what is recommendation and what we are supposed to. And after this, we'll say answer this one. What is recommendation? Or else altogether, if people can tell what is recommendation? How to define recommendation? How to define recommendation? So how to write answer for the topic recommendation? How to write answer for the topic recommendation? Use phrases such as important. Then what are the things to be focused while you are writing? Title, phrases, and numbers. Okay, so that's all about this topic.